Hello, welcome to part 3 to the autopilot AI behavior tutorial. In the part 2, we learn how to calculate angles and rotate directions using the cross product. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to smoothly rotate the tank and move it to the targets in auto mode. So let's open the code editor and do the logic. We can observe that we have the calculate angle for the cross product function. When we press the spacebar, the angle will be calculated, and the cross product will determine the rotation direction. Let's play again. When I press the spacebar, the tank looks at the base very quickly. Now, our job is to make it rotate smoothly and move forward the base. Let's do it. The move animation's still fast. Let's reduce it down. The rotation now looking better. Now we will add logic to make it move to the base. Okay, now time to test the result. When press spacebar, the autopilot enabled. It rotates smooth, and movement smooth. However, once it reaches the target, it begins to rotate around it. We will fix this issue fast. Simple add if condition to check the distance. Let's test again. It's okay now. When it reached the target, it stopped moving. If you going this far, congratulations, you've just done the basic AI movement. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.